Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Ada. As usual, I'm starting off with my brows. So using a spoolie brush, I brush on some brow wax onto my brows. I use this to just slick down my brows and hold them in place, and it also allows me to give them a desired shape, so just to shape them up a little bit. So I love to use this method when I'm doing this sort of quick makeup because it's quite easy, it's simpler and faster as well to use this brow wax as opposed to using a brow pencil or a brow gel. Next, I'm going to be highlighting the under part of the brows, just the under part. I'm not going to be touching the upper part. That makes it a bit more complicated. So for simpler looks like this, it's easier to just highlight the under part and then let the upper part just be as they are. I'm using LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, just a little bit of that to give just a slightly highlighted look to the brows. And for this, you want to use a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Next, I'm going to be making my own CC cream or tinted moisturizer simply by mixing 3 parts moisturizer, 2 parts foundation, and 2 parts primer, if that makes sense. This moisturizes and provides light coverage to the face. It also applies quite easily with little need for blending. And so it's a great alternative to foundation for simple everyday makeup looks. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my under eye using the same concealer, LA Pro Concealer, just a little bit of that under my eye as well as on my chin. I'm also going to be using some blush just because it's quite an easy way to brighten up the face. I love me some blush. I've really been loving blushing lately, so yeah, I'm going to be blushing up my cheeks and then blend all that out with a beauty blender. I'll start off with the blush and then move on to the concealer. I'm now going to set the concealer using the face powder. I'm using Maybelline fitme poreles powder. Next, I'm going to be adding some warmth to my face using this bronzer. It's from Makeup Gallery. I'll be placing this underneath my cheeks as well as around my forehead. Using the same face powder, I then set the rest of my face. Using the same bronzer, I'm going to go over my eyelids just to add some color to them, as I'm not going to be using any eyeshadows for this look. I'll be lining my eyes next. For this look, I won't be wearing falsies, so I love to do this sort of dramatic wing liner. It really enhances my eyes in a very beautiful way, and so yeah. Even though I'm not wearing false lashes, my eyes still stand out. Next, I'm going to be putting on some more blush, this time powder blush, right on top of my cheeks on the same spot that I applied the cream blush.
Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go to my knees with the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything me I need.
So whilst you're here watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section.
Nobody if you be somebody, somebody if you be nobody. Never look down or no. Nobody if you be somebody.
I always finish every look with a highlighter. I love to highlight the corners of my eyes, the tip of my nose, as well as the tip of my lips. This just opens up my eyes and really just elevates the makeup look in general. I always include it in every single look. And lastly, a bit of mascara on my lashes just to lengthen them a little bit, and yeah. And so guys, here's the finished look. I really loved it. It was so beautiful and I got loads of compliments on this look. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. They say money never needs your vanity. If you know to get in
maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight, 'cause I'm over with some friends and